Hello everyone, Oppo can let you hide your pictures, and this video will show you how to view private photos in Oppo. Method 1. Use private mode. First, open settings and find the privacy. In the privacy, tap the private save, then press your passcode. Then you can check all private files here. Method 2. Use secret mode. Open your gallery. Tap and hold the tab bottom bar to wake private album up. Enter secret code to access hidden photos. Method 3. Use third-party app, FamiGuard Pro. This method is suitable for parents to set parental control on kids' phones, including the access to private photos. After setting up correctly on the target device, you can see all photos including private from the target device. It is so easy to set up FamiGuard Pro. You just need to download and let the package automatically configure, then you can finish it. If you want to know how to set photo to private on Oppo, just keep watching. First, you need to turn on privacy passcode and follow the instructions to fill out the details. Then open your gallery app now, select the pictures you wish to move to a private album, then tap set as private. That's it.